My name's Lwetabe. I'm a mentor with Founder Institute Kampala. We focus on early stage startups, building in the 0 to 1 stage. In the first 60 seconds of a pitch, our expectation is that a founder should be able to tell us about 3 things. They should be able to define a very clear problem they are solving for. They must define a clear market they are targeting, explain to us in very short words their customer archetype, and demonstrate why they are the best placed team to build the solution they are looking at. So in about 1 minute, a founder should be able to tell us, defining the problem, the target market, the customer archetype, and the unique capabilities they bring to the table to build this solution. Those are the things we are looking out for when we are listening to the startup at the very beginning of a pitch. So it's important that first-time founders and early-stage founders demonstrate traction. But to be able to do that, there is a need for a founder to do what we call minimum viable tests. They need to be able to build solutions, very small solutions in the real world, where customers, or they get feedback from customers on how those solutions are working. It is the customer feedback that we are interested in, not the sales. In the early stage, it's not the sales that tells the story, it is the feedback on whether the customer will come back, whether the customer will pay more, whether the customer will shift from a competitor. That feedback, the feedback stories, are the ones we expand and help us build the customer journey and help us build the business model that the founder then will focus on and generate revenue. So in line with the workshop we've had on the Empretech for startups in Uganda, these kinds of arrangements are important for first-time founders. We have students coming out of university and they have very interesting ideas they want to build, but these ideas may have academic merit but have not been tested in the real world. And so for such students, for such founders, they need a coach, they need support, they need a support system to help them translate their academic ideas into a business idea that can become bankable in 3 years' time. So organizing accelerators, incubators, and areas and launch pads, and areas where founders, first-time founders can meet, they can identify mentors, they can identify coaches, is a very important element in building sustainable businesses, sustainable startups based on good principles that are well guided. And we believe if we do this a lot more Ugandan companies will start to succeed, they'll start to thrive. We have a terrible statistic. Over 90% of Ugandan startups die by the 3rd year. And the only way we can change this statistic is by increasing the training and acceleration at incubation. That's the way to solve that problem.